Okay, here we are in one of our kitchens. We made this special jig out of some scrap wood. Fits perfectly over the sink. Got the 8000 grit, and this one locks in with a small block of wood. Here we go. This set of 2 clips are solid stainless steel lined with plastic so that it doesn't scratch the knife. I prefer to use the large one. 90-degree angle. You just clip this on the back of the knife blade. They're only about $9 or $10 on the website. So you just clip it back like this, and this will give us the correct angle on this knife. Visit the website, support your sponsor. Everything sold at chefdepot.com, high quality. These stones are made in Japan. Tomahogany layered knives made in Japan. Clips, Japan. Cutting boards, USA. Stropes, leather stropes, USA. So check it out, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.